Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto brownie pie. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 6 tablespoons of butter. You don't have to worry about it being softened because we are going to melt it in the microwave. 1.5 cups of semi-sweet sugar-free chocolate chips, any kind you like. Then we have 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of some kind of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. Then we have 1/4 cup of protein powder, vanilla protein powder, or any kind you like. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we also need another 2/3 cup of semi-sweet sugar-free chocolate chips. And then if you want to top it with anything, like any kind of sauce, that's fine. I'm going to try this dark chocolate espresso. We are going to preheat our oven to 350 and spray a springform pan or a pie plate with cooking spray and just set that to the side. In a microwavable safe bowl, we are going to melt our chocolate chips, the 1.5 cups, with the 6 tablespoons of butter in 30-second increments until they're nice and smooth. That looks good. So now we are going to add in our cocoa powder and our protein powder and mix that to combine. That looks great. So now in another bowl, we are going to beat our sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and salt with an electric mixer on medium speed until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. That looks nice and combined. So now we are going to beat in our cold chocolate mixture. That looks great. So now we're going to fold in the rest of our chocolate chips, which was about 2/3 of a cup. All right, I just spread my mixture into my prepared pan, and we're going to get this into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the center is puffed up. Our brownie pie just came out of the oven and it smells and looks amazing. So I'm just going to leave it in my springform pan for probably about 30 minutes or so, just to let it cool. Then I'll use a knife along the edges to help remove it. Alright, my brownie pie has cooled off, and I didn't even have to use a butter knife. It shrinks a little bit so it wasn't stuck to the edge. I just pulled off my ring around my springform pan, and it looks amazing. I'm thinking this is about 5 carbs each, depending on what you used. Alright, I cut a piece here for me and poured a little bit of the skinny dark chocolate espresso sauce on there. And taste tester is not getting this one, guys, because this is all for me and my husband. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.